Hi everyone, this was the trickiest question in 2025 CDS examination and most of the candidates ने इसको गलत किया है. So if you really think that you are preparing for upcoming CDS examination, pause this video and try to solve this. मैंने इस वीडियो में डिटेल सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड किया है विद NCERT सोर्स, सो वॉच टिल एंड टू नो द आंसर. सो आवर क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग फॉर द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. हम लोग फिर से क्लास 9 साइंस NCERT को रेफर करेंगे. So we can verify the A statement with this statement given in the NCERT. So इसमें लिखा है all objects in the universe attract each other and this is the force of attraction which is known as gravitational force. Same statement first A statement है. The next statement is Newton's law of gravitation follows from the Newton's law of motion. But reality में Newton's law of motion are different from Newton's law of gravitation. Both of them don't follow each other. So this statement is the incorrect statement. Till now you have covered the important part, but the next part will be the most important one because these statements can be asked in upcoming CDS examinations. So for the third statement, we can refer again to the NCERT. This statement is saying that acceleration due to gravity or g is 0 at the center of Earth. इसको समझने के लिए understand this equation. This small g or the acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to the r square or the radius of Earth. So at the center the radius will be 0. So when you are at the surface of Earth, you will be pulled down or attracted towards the center of Earth because the mass of Earth is present inside it. But when you are at the center, but अब जब अर्थ के सेंटर में प्रेजेंट है, यू विल एक्सपीरियंस फोर्सेस फ्रॉम ऑल द डायरेक्शंस and this will create a net zero condition because a force from single direction will cancel out the force from opposite direction. So this means the third statement is also true, and for the fourth statement we can again refer to the NCERT which is asking for the SI units of mass and weight. तो जैसा कि आपको इस एग्जाम्पल में दिख रहा है, द SI unit of mass is kg while the SI unit of weight is given in NCERT as Newton. For more such PYQ based videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments.